In this video, you'll learn how to speed up your reading. Do not block your vision by maintaining an appropriate distance. When your eyes are too near to the paper, your peripheral vision narrows and you will have to move your eyes more to read the words. In contrast, if the paper is too far from your eyes, you will end up straining your eyes. So pick a distance that doesn't strain your eyes and allows you to see the passage clearly before you start reading. Avoid reading in your head if you are going for pure speed. Sub-vocalization can help with comprehension. But if that's not what you need, try not to repeat the words in your head as you read. That will speed up the reading tremendously. Familiarize yourself with difficult words so that you spend less time processing them. Read more to improve your fluency. The more you read, the less likely you have to pause when you encounter a difficult word. Expand on your vocabulary by working on new words. Whenever you encounter a new word, make it a point to check it out in the dictionary. Over time, as your vocabulary expands, you'll read with greater fluency and speed. Scan or skim a passage to get the main ideas quickly. Scanning or skimming can help you get the main ideas of a passage very quickly. You get the gist of what an entire passage is about just by scanning the headlines or subtitles. Read words in clusters rather than individually. Beginners tend to read word by word and this slows them down. In your mind, try to cluster words into groups. Keep practicing until you get the hang of it. Ensure that you are well rested if you want to read fast. A tired mind cannot process information quickly, so the reader tends to lose track of what he or she is reading and has to track back frequently. This will slow down the reading process. Here are some final tips. The faster you read, the less likely you are able to retain and comprehend the information. Therefore, adopt a reading speed that is best suited for your task. For example, if you are revising and need to memorize facts, you may need to read slower. However, during a comprehension test, fact retention is not required, so you may opt to read faster as long as comprehension is not sacrificed. Depending on whether information retention and comprehension is required, you may want to adjust your reading speed accordingly. Thanks for watching this video, and now let's practice a little bit of speed reading. I'll be showing you a reading passage. Try to read it out as fast as you can. Ready? Good luck! See, you're improving already!